Hello, 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 people of the interwebs. We're back. Stardew Valley. Stuff's happening. Be prepared. That's right, people. Fuck yeah, and it's gonna rain all day tomorrow. And they're gonna think, oh wow, I have a little bit of luck today. What's this tip? Get your hands on fishing pole and so you... Right. Also, I found out a new tip. What the fuck? Hey Jimmy. I almost fucking said his name, man. Hey DQ. I have some good news for you. I found a few days ago I made a breakthrough in my research on the local environment. I'll spare you the technical details and get to the point. You know that empty cave you have over in the cliffs? I think. Well, I have a way to turn it into something useful for both of us. I'd like to fill up the cave to attract some local species. That way I can observe them in a more controlled environment. And you can harvest them. Whatever products you can harvest. Okay, fuck it. I need some cave to attract mushrooms or fruit bats. The bats will sometimes leave fruit for you to collect. I think mushrooms is the choice I like to go with. Alright, I'll go settle it up for you right now. It shouldn't take any time at all. Thanks for letting me do this. Again, we're sticking to the same game plan as always. We will never, ever have the same fucking voice lines. Mainly because I forget them. And I found out a new little trick. Forageables go from Sunday to Sunday. So I should just wait until Saturdays of each week and then go forage, and then I'll get everything. So yeah, that's a new thing I'm gonna start doing. And save me a shit ton of time. Wish I knew that earlier. Would have been nice. But, oh well. Nope, don't eat the fucking carrot now, you dick. Nope. Okay, that's 75. 135 Andrew? Fucking hell. No. Oh, for fuck's sake. How is the game screwing me like this? I swear the game just gets enjoyment out of screwing me sometimes. It's like, what the hell? No. When did I look that way? When am I looking? What the fuck? What the actual fuck? Hello? Wait, is this the game telling me that I can... Yeah, that's kind of fun. And we're nearly done with this. And seeing as I don't know what else to do, I think I am gonna stop work, as I just watched a video of someone speedrunning the community center, and it literally took them like just under 4 hours, and they apparently got 7th in the world, so that's pretty cool. I will not be attempting such a feature. Oh, bro, look down. You use your brain. I know it's hard. Fucking hell. Right, so you take that. I'll throw that in there. I'll throw that in there. I'm actually going to keep some carrots on me, I think. I'll keep the carrots and bring them to the mine. In which case, do I need the hoe in the mine? I don't think I do. So I think just stored and... No, I'm actually going to go fishing instead. that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go fishing. I'm gonna go fishing because I'm otherwise just gonna go cry. Is this a tiger trout? Nightfish. Can't fish any of them. Specialities. I don't think I can get any of them at the moment. Ocean fish. And then these fish, lake fish. So we're gonna go to the lake. And we're gonna do some fishing because that's apparently what we can do at the moment. Before I get way too upset about existing. Well, at least tomorrow when it's raining, I should be getting my pickaxe back, and then I can do some stuff. But yeah, it's depressing, not gonna lie. Fish, 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 fish. Come on, let's go. Come on. And boom, we caught a chub with 10 bait. No point is a chub needed, is it? I don't think so. Lakefish, no. Largemouth, carp, bullhead, sturgeon. Yeah. Come on. Here, little fishy fish, 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 fish. Okay, fact that's not giving me two of these. Linus is just a plan, but oh, there we go. We're gonna go quickly hand this over to Linus. This is restarted, right? Yep. Well, it's a good find. Yeah, I bet you are. The crisp air of the wilderness is all I know. How are we not two yet? Come on, Linus. Stop screwing me, my man. Yeah, we're just going to spend the day fishing, because I think the only other two fish I can get at the moment is the carp from here, and then the sardine in the ocean, but we'll just try and grab multiple fish, lake fish, which is one of the fish I need, the largemouth bass, and now I also need bullhead. Oh, I also do need... What? It says I need a chub / lake river fish. Okay, well, I'll wait till I get the bad one then. Okay, done nothing. Love that. I would say it's going to be a good fish though, isn't it? So I'll keep that down there for now. If needs be, I can use it, but I'm going to try not to. I want to just get the basic one, so I'm not wasting moolah. Hello, Ivy. To what do I owe the pleasure? of a basic chub. There we go. A basic chub. I don't know for what I need this. What are you doing? Are you gonna go up against... Don't push my mic away, please. I need that. Thank you. So, there we go. Come on. What are we saying? What are we saying? Put your guess in. Put your guess in. What is it? What is it? What is it? Carp? I'm fucking horrifically wrong. Well, I've got the bullhead, that, and the chub. The only other one I need catching out is just a worse carp from here, and then we'll probably go over to the ocean and try and catch a sardine. And it's a bad one. For fuck's sake. I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon Go. Abby, what are you doing? You can't just mess with my mic. Abby, stop pushing my microphone away, please. I need it. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. Nice. And a buttercup. Yes! No, I may as well go put these 3 pieces down. And we'll say quick hi. I'm excited to see what happens with that cave, aren't you? I don't really know what the fuck is gonna happen, so like I don't fucking know, maybe. I don't know. I don't fucking know. But now we'll come back up, jump up through here. River fish, can't do that. Night fish, nope. Lake fish, we can go boom, boom, boom. I think the sturgeon apparently maybe only caught in summer. Ocean fish we need to work on, and then specialty fish. But it says a chub. It says I need a chub for something. Sus. You know what I mean? Sus. Oh, I think that's for something else. What's gonna happen later. But yeah. So to complete the river fish, I need to wait till fall. Specialty fish that can only be caught in the summer. That needs to be caught in thing. That's secret woods. That's there. Wally and the broom can be caught anyway. Just in the thing, so I can actually do that now. But then the Wally needs to wait till fall, and then summer for that fish. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can't do a mad dash and try and get down to Willie's for 5, because I think that's where Nicholas is, right? Yep. Nope. No, well, we're not making it to Willie's. Need anchovy to enjoy while reading Blue Tower Palace. Okay. Hey, stop that. Yo, hey, don't tell me what to do. Bitch. Me. Hi. Whenever I'm struggling with a technical problem, I always take a walk. Good for you, buddy. I'm kind of new to this town myself, but I really feel at home. That is actually information I did not know, so fair. And I didn't keep my fucking hoe. Oh, there's some, looks like decent weather for fishing. 80. True that, Wally. True that. Wally? Nah, fuck it, souls in. Oh, I've not fully blocked him like a dickhead. He'll understand I'm fishing. What did I catch? A flounder. Oh, I don't even think I need a flounder. Oh no, he just... Motherfucker took my fucking fishing spot. Saw me catch a flounder and was like, actually, I want a bit of that myself, ladder. Dickhead. That's the sardine I need. I just need one. Preferably, which isn't as good. Damn. As I can. Fine. Don't worry, lads. Uh. Oh, that was nice and easy. Another flounder. Let's be having it. Let's be having it. What's this? Hey, Ivy, chop, chop, chop. I love you, chop. I love you, chop. Oh my god, that nearly killed me. I completely forgot. Right, Ivy, up the desk before you accidentally click a button. Let desk go, please. No, commentator meat must pick up. Right, now I'm just going to quickly eat a carrot before I end up dying like an idiot. Right, Ivy, you can't keep walking all over my stuff. I don't want to lock you out, but if you keep this up, you will be locked out. Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. I love you, too. Oh my god. Sometimes you can get some good stuff, you know, like that free chocolate cake I got. That will be kept for an emergency time. Right. Sell that. I'll sell that. I'll sell them. I'll sell that. Sell the sardine. With the flowers. I know. Yeah. Um. Well, I knew I need to get to 3 friend status with him first. Do you know over that? Yes. So. Oh, pet the kitty. There's nothing. Nah, yeah, right? Yeah, what the fuck's that? What's that? I've never seen that there before. Sus. Absolute sus. Sussy baka. Yeah. I'm not even sure what we'll do for the first bit tomorrow, because I kind of want to keep most of my... need something? Not anymore. Yeah! Not anymore, I don't. I also could be wrong, but I think it is 3 Hearts with Linus teaches you sashimi. I'm not looking up anyone's things because I'm like, eh. If I've stumbled across a TikTok which tells me stuff, then I stumble across it and it tells me stuff. But otherwise, I ain't in the mood to look anything up particularly. I love you, missus. It's like 3:30. You don't get fed at half 3. You know this. You're also now completely spoiling exact time when which I record. But I don't think it really matters. So we're okay in that aspect. Yeah, no, I love you too. We know this. I love you. I know you love my microphone. And you love scratching yourself up against it. Oh, and me. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you. Oh, thank you. Yes, I love you. You go go. Yes, I know. Okay, you go huff and puff. Okay. Okay, there we go. I feel comfortable with the amount of stuff we've done now. Okay, Ivy. Okay. Because will I want any of this stuff? Probably not. I don't think so. Big braining. No. A recycling machine, yeah. I actually need to look into some of these more. 900, fucking hell, not bad at all. Right. Now, wait. Start the day by petting the cat. Oh, pickaxe, right, good. Going to be clearing and sunny tomorrow. Perfect for the flower. The event will take place. Oh, shit. The day is in your hands. That's good. What's this? I saw an article about you in the local paper. It sounds like the country life is good. Good for you. Take care, sweetie. Love, Mom. Oh, there's more. It is our pleasure to inform you that your farm will be featured in next week's up-and-coming column on Stardew Valley tribute. Congratulations. Real quick progress. What the fuck is SVT? We're all getting together for the flower. Thank you. Okay, we're good. We're done. Jesus, that was 15. Bro, it's so worth it. Like, it's not even funny. What the... So keep that for something. I don't know what. I do have parsnips growing somewhere, right? So if I don't, that actually will be awesome. The time just clicked open 9 AM. Delivery jobs. Anchovy. Yeah, see that's an issue. I just don't have any, so... Do I also need the axe for the mine? I don't think so. Could be wrong. I don't think so, though. So, we shall leave it. Oh, do I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? You know what? We will actually upgrade. Do we upgrade the axe or the hoe? I don't see myself planting anything in the next 2 days, to be honest. We use up so much energy just watering what we currently have, so I'll just upgrade this ready for summer, which is ages away, and then we'll do the axe, I think. Yes. Anything good up here? I mean, extra food source for a little bit, why not? Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 2006, but probably realistically by the time we make our way all the way over, especially since it's raining, so less people are out. It's not 7:30. Yeah, I don't really want that. 20 to 8. Still got an hour and a bit to wait, but we will grab. Really? What's this? Jerk be mine. Jerk be thimble plus game loss 1 defense. Yeah! Yeah! I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Fish. Rather suspicious, I might say. Mightn't I? You seen Die Hard? What about Die Hard 2? You ever dropped to the floor and shot your gun in the air and screamed out, went, ah, bang, 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 bang? Aww. You ever been shot? You ever been stabbed? You ever shot a guy? You ever stabbed a guy? I have been stabbed, and it is not funny. If you understand what I was really badly referencing, then give yourself a high five. Well done. Bitch. Upgrade to... What? When trashing an item, you reclaim 15% of the value. That's not bad, but not what I want. So... I don't know what he gives from befriending him. Ivy, what is this consistent? Meow, meow, meow. I love you. Okay. I do. Oh, see, now you nearly just broke my fucking headset. Ivy! Chill. Right, I'm moving this before you break my shit. Oh my god, missus. Can you take her anyway? Yes, and the goal for today is get a shit ton of iron. Basically. Because what do we want? I should bet. Oh, preserves are actually really easy, isn't it? And so is a tapper. I should probably make some of them and start doing some stuff. Oh, iron, gold, refined quartz. Oh, that's actually a lot more though, isn't it? Yeah. But we do want to start crafting them because they are very good. Very, very good. Very good, very nice. Miso, yum, yum, yum. Where is he? Oh, I think he's in the house. Oh, yeah, it is 10 AM to be fair. I did forget about that fact. Oopsie. Now. Oh my god. Please leave me alone. Now I've done that. Boom. Ooh, what's this? Hey, no, fuck, stop it, 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 stop it now. You're being a dick and you know it. Oh my god, they've done so much health to me. Fucking hell, I did not realize. Nope, not dealing with it. Go away. And we will go down. And we'll just do a quick pick that up. Break, 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 break. And jump down. And what the fuck is this? 15 to 25. Wait, 3. much health? Oh, that heals 60 health. Okay, yeah. Yep. Nice. Yeah, I think it's slightly longer. Oh my god. That was so worth it. Such a great find. Yes. Oh my god. I've just been so silent because I've just been so happy with my new weapon. Yes. Look at it. It's a machine. Nice. We've finally got one. I think amethyst and then frozen tea up. Nice. Man. Nice. And that took a little bit way too long. And then making it down. It is annoying when sometimes it just won't move for you, and I'm like, no, I know what I want, and the game's like, yeah, we know you know what you want, but we're just gonna be a dickhead about it anyway and not do it. And it's like, no. Or you could just not be a dick, and it's like, we could. But we're gonna choose to be a dick, and it's like, why would you actively choose to be a dick? And the game's like, I don't know. Thought it would be funny. Nice. Oh, that's so much nicer. Getting rid of them so quickly. Look at that. Effortless. You know, if just the game would give me good RNG, please. Thank you. And boom, thank you. And now some more iron. And now once we've gained all this iron. Nice. Now we'll just quickly run around, pick this up. Really. And it's so annoying when it goes from like a run where it's so hard to find anything, and then it's just like, you know, here's multiple. Fuck it. Wait, no. I just need to beat a bunch of shit up. Which would have been really hard, but... Ooh, what's this? What's this ring? A glow ring. Double glow ring status. Oh my god. No, look, where I hate where it, like, if I aim that way or shoot that way sometimes, like, no. You hit where my character's looking, not where the cursor is. That's how I've always played it, and now it's changing on me, and it's really upsetting me. carrot. Where the fuck are they running off to? Get back here. Pieces of shit. And it's 8 p.m. Go on, game. Be nice. Let me jump all the way through to level 50. Come on. Come on, game. No, game. Don't be mean. Pick this. Then break that. Go down, break this. There's nothing else but that. Oh, I've also seen where the next thing is, so we're just gonna do a quick little. Oh my god, we made it. Oh my god, we made it with good time as well. Now we go back up to 0. A lot of stuff can be rethrown in there. That can go in there, that can go there. And all of that stuff, I'll re-pick up them. Because where is Seb? Realistically, am I going to go down any more floors? Probably not, actually. So if I just take what looks like... That's winter foraging. Yeah, forage. I don't think I need anything else. I'll take that and that, and we'll take that, because then we'll use that. I'll take them also, actually. I think the rest of the stuff can stay in there for the time being. Maybe that and that I'll take. Yeah. Wait, no. I then want to leave carrots in there. The dandelion I will then sell. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Well, where is he? Oh, he's going back, he's going back, he's going back, isn't he? He's going back, isn't he? He's going back, he's going back, he's going back. No! No! Oh no, that is depressing. That's depressing. No. Oh, and I didn't even go the way to fucking put this in for the foraging stuff. Oh well. Oh well. Organize that, make stuff look a bit easier. And now we shall. What? Mission block. Blacksmith can open this. Oh, I need to go to the blacksmith. Okay. Yeah, fuck it. And I'll just go to sleep now. I didn't say I already pet my kitty. Yeah. And yes, we shall go to sleep for the night. Yes, what? Transmute glowstone ring. Level 3 combat! Yeah! Let's go! And nearly no money made that day, but that's okay. Yeah, so tomorrow we can get the hoe back. Is it the hoe? Who knows? It's going to be beautiful Sunday all day tomorrow. I think I'll have a little extra luck today. I was gonna say, I think I already know radish salad, but just in case I don't. I'm just gonna start putting all gemstone mine related things in there. So if it's come from the mine, it's going in there. Which I think is it. Plant these in the spring TG. Oh. I don't know how many days is left. And I don't know how much faster it will grow, but that's kind of funny. Oops. No, I will take that. I'll take the aquamarine down to run for, later today. So that can go to thing and thing. Because I kind of want to look them today, I can't lie. Oh, never mind. Nope. Get what I said. The only thing that's going to actually happen. Oh my god. Is I'm going to plant all of these. Water all of these. I guess that's useful because I can do 3 without needing to move, but it feels weird at the same time. Yeah, see, it does make it a little bit easier, but it's not actually. Yeah, no, it does. Well, now it's went instantly wrong in a second. Obviously, I say it's half decent. Makes sense. But just remember the days when I didn't have. Hey, pick up, please. Oh my god, why is stuff not working? Then stop sand. Yeah, I know the other festival started. Don't need to call me. Right, now that that's done, we shall now. I don't think I need these for anything, so we'll sell the green beans. Okay, we have everything. We'll go pet Kitty, feed Kitty water. Now we will go to the flower dance. What is it, Ivy? Come on. You've barged in here. You must be barging in to tell me what it is. Yes, hello there. I know, you're super pretty. Yes, you are. Oh my god, we fixed this part. Whoa. Is everyone ready for this? Look at the pink trees. Yeah. What we got in this shop? Some seasonal decor, tub of flowers. Flowers blooms in spring and summer. Tub of Flowers recipe. Don't mind if I do. It's 2,500. That's upsetting, but we'll do it. We'll do it for the cause, won't we, Ivy? Yes, we will, because we're cool. Right, so are we just going to walk back and forth on my PC? Okay. But the next question is, do I get this? It's cool, but realistically, am I going to use it? No. So, not actually that good. Woo! I'm stuffed. Hey, have you tried the red jelly yet? I don't know. I wish Pierre would spend this time with the family. Yeah, he's a dick, isn't he? I wonder if Emily would dance with me. Bro, you gotta fucking leave this shit. Chill the fuck out. I wore my best shirt for the dance. This sort of thing doesn't happen very often. Hi. Glad to see you here. I should have brought my fishing pole. What a shame. Frog season is really starting to pick up. You know what? I admit it. I really like flowers. Fucking cool, my man. I like it. Ugh. Yes. No, there's someone else I want to. Oh. I don't know if you heard that, but apparently my cat just got really fucking pissed off with me for no other reason. Ow. Yeah, I mean, I kind of knew that wasn't going to happen. There's realistically only one person you can actually perform the dance with other than the first year, and it's Haley. She's the only person, because of it being her birthday, you can double gift her and it will make it really better. I really hate dancing in front of everyone. It's so embarrassing. Yeah, I know. Now this is the life, huh, kid? Sweet wine, a babbling brook, warm air. Did I mention wine? Yeah. Excellent sauce. Fair enough. Are you going to be dancing today? I fucking would have been, but everyone hates me. These springtime dances can be traced back to ancient fertility rituals. Say, the air smells so sweet with all these flowers. That's not fair. Why can't I be the flower queen? You can if you really, really want to. Someday I'm going to be the flower queen. That makes sense. I've been working on these flower arrangements for a week. Do you like them? They're beautiful. I can see pinky, red, the orange, the blue, and the purple. Oh, is someone coming back now because they've decided not to be a dick? Flowers. You can hardly see them. We're just being a dick, aren't we? I'm practicing my dance moves. It needs to be perfect. I'm just enjoying the scenery. Marnie looks lovely today. Love is in the air. And I'm still single. That was just not her voice. Oh, hello there. It's nice of you to talk to me. Spring is almost over. What a shame. I know, right? I'm working up the courage to ask someone to dance with me. You go. I like dancing, but this one is a little stilted. The old timers really love it, though. Oh, I'm nervous. Yeah, so calling it those two. I think he dances with Penny, maybe. Those two dance, and then Haley with him. Unless you end up getting befriended someone, which I think you need to have 3 stars with them. Well, should we start the dance now? Yes, let's start. Woo! Oh, I forgot about Emily. I think that's Shane anyway. So, yeah, Penny and Sam, Maru and Harvey, Emily and Shane, Alex and Hart and Haley, Leah and Elliot, and then Sebi and Abigail. And I think I'm correct. That's everyone. So, yeah. That was fun. Time to go home. That was fun. I also didn't commentate because I didn't want to ruin it. And also I found out that when my cat just decided to attack me, it actually went through my fucking hoodie and has just scratched me. So that's fun. So literally all I've done there is to spend 2.5 grand on this fucking rare crow. Burger's hot though, you know what I mean? Like, fuck it, so. Yeah, you're mean. No, you gotta go away, you're meanie. You're mean. Yeah, we spoke to basically everyone. 2 hearts, Lion's at 2 hearts, Robin at 2 hearts. Wow, didn't really expect that. No, go away. And the only people who didn't speak to is Pierre and Wizard, but yeah, oh well. Yeah. I probably could have done some other stuff, but yeah, I wasn't in the mood. But just now realised that actually is where we will call it for today. So yeah, it's a lot more. I can't lie, I prefer the Egg Festival because there's not much to do with this one, and you kind of just waste a day. But if you want to get the special stuff, you need to do it. So that was the flower dance. Very cool. Besides the fact that my cat decided to suddenly turn into a dick and attack me. But anyway, wherever, whenever, whoever, I hope you have a lovely day, night, evening. Bye bye. Peace. Janet. Stay safe, stay hydrated.